There are several ways to find the solution to a system of equations. You could use inverse matrices, reduced row echelon form. You could do Cramer's rule, maybe expansion by minors, or you could use Google. So this video is going to show you how to use Google. So here's what I'm calling the method of Google. To begin with, here are my three equations. And the first thing I'm going to do is, because I have I1, I2, I3, that is variables with subscripts, I need to redefine my variables without a subscript. So I subscript 1 is x, I subscript 2 is y, I subscript 3 is z. If I put in I1, I2, I3, Google thinks I mean 1 times I, 2 times I, and 3 times I. So I need to replace it with a single variable. Here are my equations rewritten with my x, y, and z variables. Then what I'll do is I enter the equation separated by commas into the browser's URL, but make sure you use the word solve first. And the solve has to be in a lowercase s. If you use an uppercase s, it'll show you a method of solution, but it won't solve it for you. So use a lowercase s so it gives you an answer. Here, solve each equation separated by a comma, and then when I hit the return in the URL or the box on Google, I get an answer, fractions. So if I need to put them in decimals, that's easy enough. And the way this works is x is the first answer, y is going to be the second answer, and my third variable is the third answer.